Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel.
And in this video, we'll discuss about the last year's mains question paper. And here comes the first question. What is the botanical name of pomegranate? It's Punica granatum. In which state of India has the highest forest area? Madhya Pradesh. The average gestation period of buffalo, it is 310 plus or minus 5 days. A female pig that doesn't give birth to individuals is called as gilt. Which is the propagation method used for the propagation of banana crop spot suckers? Isolation required for foundation seed production of okra is 400 meters. And mating in sheep is called as tupping. And in case of pig, it is called as coupling. There are different terminologies for mating. Land holding of small scale farmers, it is 1 to 2 hectares. There are 5 types of categories, like if for marginal, it is less than 1 hectare. Small farmers 1 to 2 hectares. Semi-medium 2 to 4 hectares. Medium 4 to 10 hectares. Large farmers, it is more than 10 hectares. BT cotton protect the cotton crop from which insect? Bollworm. Vatisol is the highest type of odor which is found in the state Madhya Pradesh. New leaf of plant shows yellow symptoms and veins remain green. This is due to the deficiency of manganese. Elevation process is related to the horizon B. There are different types of horizons like O, A, E, B, C in the soil profile. So A is the topmost mineral horizon and E is the elevation and B elevation. The macronutrient among these options, it is potassium. Golden revolution is related to fruits and there are different types of revolutions. Blue tag is related to which type of seed? Certified seed. Germination percentage of wheat, it is 85%. Symbiosis nitrogen fixation is related to the organism Rhizobium. The feed conversion ratio of a standard boiler chicken reared in an enclosed house is 1.5 to 1.9 square feet. Study of gardening tree to make shade and shape is called as arboriculture. Soil strength is measured by penetrometer. Hormone that is responsible for the milk letdown, it is oxytocin. Lay forming refers to growing of grass. The technique that reduces soil erosion, evaporation, kinetic energy impact of raindrops is known as mulching. Vaccine for Ranicate disease in poultry, it is Lasota. Online electronic trading of agricultural commodities through which platform? Enum. Which is not a bacterial disease, it is coccidiosis. What is the place which is used for feeding of lamb, cows, and piglet but not used for the adults? It is crepe. Tropical fruit papaya. Oil cake that is used in fish pond to kill predatory insects. Mahua. Vaccination for foot and mouth disease in sheep is given for how many months once? 6 months. Aphid is a vector for which disease of tobacco? Cucumber mosaic virus. Which sex trap is used for trapping male insect? Pheromone trap. Which sheep breed of northwest India known for best quality white wool? Magra. Guava pest which deposit eggs on soft skin of ripening fruit. On hatching, maggot bore into the fruit and feed on the soft pulp. The infested show depressions with dog-in punctures, and when cut opens, the maggots were visible, and finally, fruit rot and fall. It's fruit fly. Soil moisture decreased to wilting point. Water held tightly by soil particles condition is called as hygroscopic efficient, and it is 60 bars. And it is at the 60 bars. Which of the following disease of rose shows grayish white powdery patches? So the white powdery patches itself indicates powdery mildew. Which medicinal plant is known as laxative medicinal plant? Isabgol. Plantago. In which planting system 4 plants are planted in square? In which plant to plant and row to row distance is same. It's not grow to grow, it is a row to row square. Which are the diagnostic symptoms of sorghum shoot fly? Larva cut growing point and cause red hats. Crown cloning is related to coconut, and grape training system where they are connected with each other. Telephone. Pulsing is related to post harvesting. Highest lactation period of which breed of goat? Jamunapuri. Finger-like structure is formed due to relay erosion. White muscardine disease related to silkworm. And vaccine is given to sheep at an interval of 6 months. Sodium deficiency in animal or cow symptoms causes dehydration and fluid reduction. In which grafting rootstock debat 45 cm from ground level, two slopes cut given and wedge is made tongue-shaped science inserted. Wedge grafting. Mating of wider degree range of relationship not close to one another, resulting uniformity, which that is called as outbreeding. Which institution is established to provide occasional training to farmers and field level extension workers, KVK. Type of silkworm that breed only one time in a year, it is univoltine strain. Irregular variety of mango is Kesar. NRLM scheme, that is National Rural Livelihood Mission, it is also known as DAY NRLM. DAY in the sense it is Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana, established in the year 2011. Milk is which type of emulsion? Oil in water. Which fungus role in biological control agent in cotton bollworm? Plays a role in biological control. Beauveria bassiana. So the sentence which is wrong, it is swarming is a natural method of propagation. A zone within the earth that restricts the flow of groundwater from one aquifer to another. Aquifuse. Removal of male flowers in banana after completion of the female phase. Denaveling. Leaf farming is related to leguminous pastures with grain crops. The regrowth of crop from stubble is known as platooning. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for supporting.